Hi everyone, welcome back. It's been a little while. This is just a quick video on completing the square. So if we've got a quadratic in the sort of standard format of something squared, in this case x squared plus 5x plus 6, and we want to put that into brackets, what we'd normally do is look at the number at the end, this plus 6, and we'd say, right, what numbers multiply to give us plus 6 and add to give us 5? So I'd look at the factors of 6, 1 and 6, 2 and 3, and out of those pairs, I'd say, right, what can I add together there to give me plus 5? So that looks like it will work. So in the brackets here, I'd have x, and plus 2 and plus 3. So that's sort of the normal way we'd do it. But sometimes we might have a quadratic. Let's say we had x squared plus 4x plus, 1. Now, what numbers are going to multiply to give us 1, but add to give us 4? Well, the only factors of 1 are 1 and 1, so nothing there is going to add or subtract to give us plus 4. So we're going to need a different method to try and stick this into brackets. And the way we're going to do that is by completing the square. So what we're going to do is we're going to just start off with a bracket squared. So x is going to be in that bracket, and we're going to add or subtract something and then square it. So in this case, we're going to halve this number here, this plus 4, stick that in the bracket. So x plus 2 in the bracket, all squared. Now, we're going to expand that bracket, x plus 2, always using the grid method for expanding brackets. X times x is x squared, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 2 is plus 4. So that bracket altogether expanded is x squared plus 4x plus 4. And you'll see that this new expansion is pretty close to what we already had. We had x squared plus 4x plus 1, and we've got x squared plus 4x plus 4 by expanding this bracket. So now we need to think, right, we don't want x squared plus 4, we want x squared plus 1. So what have we got to do to both sides of this equation here to get back to plus 1? Well, we've got plus 4 here on the right hand side, so if we take away 3 from both sides, that will give us x squared plus 4x minus 3. And just to show that one more time, if I expand that bracket, x plus 2, x plus 2, x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4 gives us x squared plus 4x plus 4. Remember to take away 3. That'll all simplify to plus 1. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 1. And that's equal to, in the completed square form, x squared plus 2 squared minus 3. So there we are. That's the completed square format. So I hope that makes sense. If there's any questions, just put a comment down below.